Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy paste text in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. Now go to in text of you. Now long click the left button of your mouse and drag this text. And click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see copy. Click on copy. If you want another copy of this text, click on the right button of your mouse. Here you can see paste. That's it. There has another way to copy a text. First of all, select the text, then press Ctrl+C. And if you want to copy it, then press on Ctrl+V. So this is how you can copy a text in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.